Namaste children, welcome to session 25 of exercise 3.6. Okay, so today we will be doing question number 2 with this word problem. Yes, a situation problem. You have to get a situation and then you have to get a linear equations. Okay, and then we have to solve it. Solving by algebraic solving only we are going to do. It can be substitution method or elimination method or any method of your choice we can do. Okay, so this sum which we are going to discuss today is about a boat sailing in a river. Okay, now one thing you should notice children, when we are rowing a boat in a river sea, the boat will move faster when the boat is sailing along the flow of the water. Okay, so if the water is flowing in one direction, a boat is rowed in the same direction, the speed will be more, but the time taken will be less. Correct? And when it is going against the flow of water, that means when the speed of the boat or the boatman's rowing speed is less than the speed of the water, what will happen? He has to manage, so he will capsize. The boat will capsize. Otherwise, if he can row with a speed greater than the speed of water, the boat will comfortably sail in water. Okay, so that is the principle of going up the stream and down the stream. Here we are going to learn two terminologies. Down the stream, which means going along with the speed of the water or stream or current or whatever you say. And then upstream means going against the flow of water, going in the opposite direction as the speed of the water or the stream or current. Are you understanding? So when it is going along with the river speed or the direction, what will happen? The speed will be more, so the boat can go comfortably and reach the place in a shorter duration. Okay, but when the boat is rowed up the stream or opposite to the direction of the speed of the water, what will happen? The speed will become less, so it takes a longer time. This is a simple concept. Okay, upstream, downstream, first you should learn. So what will happen when the speed of the boat is less than the speed of the water? It will capsize. So the boatman has to go only with the resultant speed. So the resultant speed is another term that you have to learn. So which is the speeds added up for downstream and which is the speed subtracted for upstream. So this is what you have to first learn. Are you understanding? Now let us take the case. Here first we will have two columns. Upstream, speed of the boat. Speed of the boat. Speed of the river. Speed of the boat and speed of the river. Let us take the speed of the boat as x kilometers per hour. Speed of the river is y kilometers per hour. Okay. Now what is the situation? The situation is when the boat goes upstream, it covers 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Okay, 4 kilometers is the distance, 2 hours is the time. So what is the speed here? The speed here is, it is going upstream means x minus y. Therefore, first you write speed upstream. Speed upstream is equal to x minus y and speed downstream is x plus y. So these are the first two items that you have to calculate, and then you have to plan. Okay. Now, what is situation 1? Situation 1 is the boat is traveling upstream 4 km in 2 hours. So, what is the total distance? Distance is, so you write upstream situation. Upstream situation. What is the total distance traveled? 4. So, what is the speed? 4 divided by x minus y. Therefore, the time taken is 4 by xy. It is 2 hours. So, this is the first equation. Are you understanding? What have I done? It is given 4 km distance in 2 hours. So, 4 divided by x minus y, which is the upstream situation. The boat takes 2 hours. Okay, that is the speed by distance is equal to time. Now, before going to the next situation, some of you are raising doubts. What is the connection between speed, distance and time? We will have a quick review about it. Now, you draw a triangle. And this is one side and this is another side. So, what is speed into time? Speed into time is the distance. Correct? Are you understanding? Speed into time gives you the distance. So, that goes to the vertex or vertical angles vertex. Okay. Now, what is speed divided by d? That gives you time. What is speed distance divided by time? That gives you distance divided by time gives you speed. So, the STD triangle we can call this. Always remember this STD triangle: speed, time and distance. So, here D we have to keep it on top, S and T for the two sides or two vertices. Then speed into time gives you the distance. Distance by speed gives you time, and distance by time gives you the speed. So, always you remember that, you will not have any confusion. Okay. So, here I have got upstream situation 4 divided by x minus y is equal to 2. So, that is nothing but 4 equals 2 into x minus y. Therefore, 2x minus 2y is equal to 4 is one equation. Right? Are you understanding? We'll go for the second. So, what happens? Find her speed of rowing. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours. So, 4 kilometers she takes 2 hours while she is traveling upstream against the flow of water, whereas she is able to row 20 kilometers at the same time 2 hours. Are you understanding? With more speed. How that more speed has been caused? It has been caused because of adding both the speeds. The water is also allowing the boat to move, isn't it? And boat's own speed, that is also there. Okay, are you understanding? So here external influence is the speed of water. When it is going against the water, it reduces the speed, but when it is flowing along the speed of water, it gets added up to the speed. So this you have to remember always. Okay. So the next situation is, you can write here second situation. Now, what is the total distance she travels? 20 kilometers. In how many hours? 2 hours. With what speed? X plus y is equal to 2. This is the second equation. This we can always, what happens? We can simplify. So, this becomes 20 is equal to 2x plus 2y, or we can write this side 2x plus 2y is equal to 20 is the second equation. Are you understanding? This is the first equation and that is the second equation. So we have to have two columns. Equation for upstream, equation for downstream. I am going to write equation for upstream as 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. So I am cancelling 1 2 factor throughout. So I am getting x minus y is equal to 2. Let us name this as equation 3. And the next one, 2x plus 2y is equal to, we have got 20. So again we can cancel 1 2 factor throughout. We will get x plus y is equal to 20. Are you understanding? Now write both the equations. X plus y is equal to 10, that is equation 4. Now just by looking at this, we can say that easily we can add this plus y and minus y will get cancelled. So you'll get 2x is equal to 12, which implies x is equal to 6. Now what is y then? Y is, substitute in any one of these equations. So 6 plus y is equal to 10 implies y is equal to 4. Are you understanding? Is it clear? So x is equal to 6, y is equal to 4. Now can you remember what one we have kept as x? What we kept as 4? Can anyone tell me? The speed of the boat is 6 km per hour. The speed of the current or the water or the river, however you put, the speed of the river is 4 km per hour. So you should write the statements correctly and complete. Speed of the boat is equal to 6 km per hour. Speed of the current is 4 km per hour. Okay, this is how you must finish. Now how to check whether your answer is right? Now substitute in one of these equations. 4 divided by 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 by 2 is 2. And then second equation, 20 divided by 6 plus 4 is 10, that is equal to 2. 20 by 10, that is 2. So your answer is right. You can give a tick for yourself.